Hi guys, in today's tutorial I will be demonstrating a one length cut with forward graduation or face framing layers. Now just a quick note that this is my preferred way of creating this look. My mannequin that I have named Bernice was prepped beforehand with a leave-in detangler and then detangled with a large wide tooth comb. So what I'm doing now is preparing Bernice for her cut. I started by sectioning the hair down the middle from forehead to the nape of the neck. And now I am creating my next parting horizontally from ear to ear. And here's a quick look at what your section should look like. I will now start my cut by taking a segment from either side. And that will be my first section that I will be cutting. Now some hairdressers take their sections straight horizontally. I personally like to work on a diagonal line, as you can see. Again, this is just a preference, and in my opinion it contours the client's natural head shape, and again, in my opinion, the hair just sits better. Now I'm taking my first section that I'm going to cut from the middle. You always start in the middle and work your way out to the corners. And here I am really quickly just showing you how to hold your scissors. As you can see, your thumb fits in the first hole and your second to last finger sits in the other hole with your pinky finger sitting on the little arm. And as I was showing you, it's your thumb that does all the work. What you're going to see me do in a second once I've cut this section is I'm going to take a piece from both sides, like so. That's me just checking that my guide is even, and I do this before taking my next section. Now, one thing I did forget to mention is that when cutting your one length, if you haven't already realized, I am holding the hair straight down at a 0-degree angle or 0-degree elevation. I've completed the back, so now I'm moving on to the sides, brushing straight down. I'm going to then use a bit of the back section there as my guide and follow that straight across. Now I am pulling the hair back just ever so slightly. I would rather have the front a little long than go too short. Now again, we are going to be creating forward graduation at the front, but if this was just a one length cut, I would rather the sides be too long because I can always cut more off. As you can see, I took off quite a bit of hair from Bernice. It's safe to say she needed a good trim. With my one length complete, I can now move on to my forward graduation. So as you saw just a second, I found my mannequin's crown and I'm sectioning the front off again from the crown down to just behind the ears, and I'm going to comb all of that hair forward into my mannequin's face. And what I'm about to show you now is just how I've parted that front section off, again from ear to ear. Now I like my forward graduation to be symmetrical, as that allows your client to change their parting as and when they feel. So I'm starting with my box section through the middle here, as you can see, and I'm going to have the client look straight ahead. So again, pull out slight graduation, and I'm cutting straight across. As you can see, I'm showing you my guideline. Combing that hair forward, directing it towards me, and cutting straight across. And once you have completed one side, you then move on to the other. And here I am just cross-checking and making sure that both sides are even. And what you want to create is that lovely arch through the front section of the hair there. Now, yes, I am aware that the side I'm working on now is a little longer. There's a little corner there, and I'm going to show you now how to get rid of that. So all I'm doing is I'm over directing the back there into the front and just checking for any corners, removing those. Now this way everything just blends seamlessly. And again, now just doing the other side, and again you'll see, well, you should see, nope, because I got in the way. I'm still trying to perfect my camera angles, guys. So here you'll see tiny little corner, there we go. So I'm just taking that off, and again making sure that everything blends seamlessly. Please watch my next video where I will show you how to style and finish this cut.